kids. Lovely view. I think I'll take it from the other side. Crash with Lauren. I think we're going to have to let Lauren have a turn too. What's the matter, Lauren? What's the matter? Isn't that a face any mother could love, or only a mother could love? What's the matter? Jody's fighting with you? Lauren, want to turn? Okay. Is mad because I won't swing her more. Isn't she attractive? Now watch for the instant change in personality. Okay, Lauren, you better now? Lauren, are you happy? Lauren? Nope, not happy. She wants more pushes. Can I see your face? Wow, you're almost twisted. Now, Lauren thinks she's sad, but I'll show you the saddest one of all. Look at that face. Look at that face. It's Jody. Jody, want to turn? Let's see a big smile. That's better. We'll see if we get him all happy. But he's happy for a minute. Nobody likes the baby swing. Lauren. Up, her boot's falling off. We could be having a drama. And where's Aaron? Aaron! Aaron! We've now been joined by Travis, right? And Adam? Adam is Jody's brother, and his cousin is Travis, and who's that? Aaron and Todd. All down visiting. And these guys are climbing across the top, huh? Look at that, that's pretty high up. Yep. Don't fall. How old are you guys?
5 and a half. I'm 5 and a half. Me and Travis are 5 and a half.
And Aaron's almost 4. Lauren's going to lose her head with Jody. And there's little Telly. He's the other little cousin. Got quite a house full. Travis is hanging. How is he going to get down? Now what? Oh. Leave it to kids. Go, Jody. Well, that's almost enough